Yeah, so this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and we have a wonderful one-to-one session with Mr. Jayesh Panchal. He is from Mumbai and working with one of the multinational. And it was amazing knowing you, Jayesh ji, personally as well as financially. So I just wanted to know your feedback. I think since more than 2 hours we are in discussion. So I just wanted to know your feedback, your takeaways out of this meeting, one-to-one call. What is your experience? Up to you, Jayesh ji.
Yeah, the experience was good actually. I think this is the first time we are talking, and I got some reference to have the one-on-one with Mr. Sham, and I did it. And my main worry was to have some concrete retirement plan actually. That was something my concern, and I just wanted to know where I'm standing in terms of financial status, whether I'm free or whether I'm burdened or something. So after talking, I think spent almost 2 hours just now. So after 2 hours, at least I know where I'm standing, what is my gap, and what are the options. The very simple option he said, and but those are quite effective. So that will take care of my requirement by all means. Once I get retirement, once my the active income will stop, so my passive income will start, and that will take care of my retirement, all those stuffs. So it was nicely explained, and there was no rush. Like he has given enough time of him, though it was for 1.5 hours. We stretched up to more than 2 hours. So thanks, Sham, and I look forward to work with you further. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So, what is the one biggest takeaway, biggest mind-changing thing that which really liked you the most? That only one thing I would like to know from you. Then we can get to the end.
Mind changing. Yes, regarding you said the insurance need of the health insurance and the life insurance, and overall, like, of course, I have seen your video, so I was knowing like what I'm going to get. So I would say I have prepared with my expectation from this one. So whatever I expect, I got actually.
Great, great. So thank you very much once again for your kind words and kind feedback. And definitely, so I have already taken all the inputs from your side, and we will definitely work out the plan, and we will meet in the next meeting, and we will conclude the things. So thank you, and wishing you a financially free life very soon, as per your wish. So thank you very much once again.
Can we continue for 2 minutes roughly? I don't know. Testimony you can stop, but we can continue.